intro.
Hi guys, welcome back to 71st part of the Arduino tutorials. In my previous video, we have covered the basics of magnetic reed switch and also did some practical on interfacing with Arduino and controlling the LED based on the presence of magnet. So in this video, we'll use the same learnings and make a simple door security alarm project. So if you have missed the previous one, you should definitely check out, get some basics and continue this video. So this is the reed switch which we have used in our previous tutorial. Since for today's project we need to mount the sensor on the door surface, we specifically get this version which comes with wires connected, a mounting bracket and also a magnet. For this project you need Arduino board, magnetic reed switch, a small buzzer, and to power the entire setup at the end, you can use this 9 volts battery with a round pin connector or rechargeable 18650 cells and a holder. I purchased all these project components from flyrobo.in. They have very huge collection of components and the prices are also reasonable compared to other platforms. Make sure you explore their products. I'll leave the link in the description box. So moving on to the connections, one terminal of the reed switch goes to digital pin 2 and the other terminal to Arduino ground. For the buzzer, the positive terminal is connected to Arduino digital pin 11 and negative to Arduino ground. That's all the connections. Now I'll connect the board to the computer and start with the programming. Moving on to the programming, here I have opened one code file which is from a previous tutorial on reed switch basics, where we are controlling the LED based on the presence of magnetic field. The sensor is connected to pin 2, LED on 3. In the loop we are reading the data from the pin connected to sensor, based on which we are turning on and off the LED. So I'll use the same code as a base for today's project. So make sure you check the explanation of the previous one. In this file, the logic related to reed switch will remain the same, including the pin. I'll remove all the lines on LED. So coming back to the declaration, reed switch on 2, buzzer on pin 11. In the setup, reed switch is already made as input. I'll make the buzzer pin as output. So in the loop, we are reading the reed switch pin using digital read function and storing the same to this boolean variable. So we can get 0 and 1. So when the magnet is near to the sensor, this variable will give 0. But for this particular project, we have to activate the buzzer when the magnet is away from the sensor. So instead of 0, I'll make this 1. In this case, I'll turn on the buzzer. if magnet is closer to the sensor, we have to keep the buzzer in the off state. So I'll upload this code and show you the results. So better understanding, I'll also keep the serial monitor open. So by default, I've kept the magnet closer to the read switch. So I'm getting 0 and the buzzer is off. So if I take the magnet away, we get 1 and it starts making sound. This is 0, buzzer off, 1, buzzer on. To make this sound more interesting, you can also use analog write function to create a PWM signal, which also helps to control the sound of the buzzer. So instead of digital write, just make it analog write, buzzer pin. So here this argument is the duty cycle, which range from 0 to 255. So I'll give it 200, delay of 100 millisecond. Again, duty cycle of 100, delay of 100. So with this you get a better sound or the tone from the buzzer. I'll show it practically. Off and on. So that's it on the code. I'll remove the board from the computer and mount it on the door for proper demonstration. And I'll power the entire setup using 18650 cells. So I open the door, the buzzer starts making sound. And it switches off if I close it back. So this is how you can make simple door security alarm project using magnetic reed switch. For code and circuit, visit the link given in the description. And for more interesting tutorials, stay tuned and subscribe. Thank you for watching. We'll be back in the next video.